Uncover hidden tactics. The ultra-wealthy use to stay ahead. They don't teach this. What if I told you the ultra-wealthy don't play the same money game as everyone else? They don't just work harder. They don't just save more. They operate on a completely different system designed to keep them ahead, no matter what the economy does. In this video, I'm exposing the hidden tactics the rich quietly use to stay powerful, protected, and 10 steps ahead of everyone else. And trust me, once you hear number 5, you'll never think about money the same way again. Let's get into it. For one, they buy assets that print cash. The wealthy don't chase paychecks, they chase cash flowing assets. While most people buy liabilities, cars, designer clothes, expensive phones, the rich buy things that pay them every month. Examples: real estate dividend stocks, businesses, intellectual property royalties. Their goal is simple: make money while sleeping. If you stop working and your money stops, you're not wealthy, you're just well paid. Thrust 2. They use the tax code like a weapon. Here's the dirty secret. The tax system is written for business owners and investors, not employees. Ultra-wealthy people legally reduce taxes by writing off expenses, depreciating real estate using trusts and entities, taking loans against assets instead of selling them. They don't evade taxes, they optimize them. And every dollar saved in taxes is a dollar that compounds into millions later. Thufker 3. They think in generations, not paychecks. Most people think, how do I pay bills this month? The ultra-wealthy think, how do I set up my grandchildren to never work if they don't want to? They build trust funds, family businesses, investment portfolios, legacy brands. Wealth isn't built in one lifetime, it's engineered across multiple. 4. They borrow against assets. Instead of selling, this is one of the biggest hidden tactics. When the wealthy need money, they don't sell assets. They borrow against them. Why? No capital gains tax. Assets keep growing. Loans can be paid with future cash flow. It's like using your wealth as a private bank. Number 5, they control leverage. People, systems, and capital. The rich don't do everything themselves. They use leverage. 3 types of leverage: people, employees, teams, advisors, systems, automation, software, AI capital, other people's money. While most people trade time for money, the wealthy multiply results with force multipliers. Number 6, they understand cycles and position early. Ultra-wealthy investors move before the crowd. They study market cycles, economic trends. Technology shifts demographics. They buy when others are scared and sell when others are greedy. Timing plus knowledge equals massive gains. Number 7, they protect their mind and energy. This one is rarely talked about. The wealthy guard their time focus, health, mental clarity. They outsource distractions and focus only on high-value decisions. Because a focused, wealthy mind can create millions. A distracted one loses it all. That's great. They play offense and defense. Most people only try to make money. The ultra-wealthy also focus on protecting it. They use insurance diversification, legal structures, asset protection strategies. They understand that keeping wealth is harder than making it. My final takeaway: the ultra-wealthy don't have secret superpowers. They just play by a different rulebook. Start thinking like an owner, not a worker. Start buying assets, not liabilities. Start planning for generations, not just next month. And remember, wealth is not an accident. It's a system, a strategy, and a mindset. If you want more videos exposing hidden wealth strategies, hit like, subscribe, and comment wealth, so I know you're serious about financial freedom. And I'll see you in the next video.